Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I'm going to do a press-on nail tutorial, which we all know how to do press-on nails, right? You just put some glue on there and you're good to go, right? So press-on nails, we all kind of know what to do with them. But I've heard on TikTok that if you use a gel base coat as your adhesive and cure it under a blue light, then they last longer. That's what I'm gonna do with y'all today. So if you're interested to see how to do your press-ons using a gel base coat as your adhesive, then just keep on watching. So I had a gel nail polish on and I've had a couple of broken nails here, and I took off the gel polish myself. I literally just peeled it off in the shower one day. Now I'm going to cut my nails, trim up all my nasty stuff, buff my nails with this very not so cute nail file that I have, but this is gonna be the one I'll be using to make the texture on my nails. And then the only thing I don't have is the dehydrator. Part of the steps when you're doing your nails, they're going to apply gel. They dehydrate your nails first with this dehydrator stuff, but I don't have any, so what I'm gonna do is just acetone and then rough them up, and then I'll put the gel polish on and then cure it. So what you're gonna need for this is obviously your press-ons, some kind of blue light that you would use for your gel. This one's one that I bought with the gel manicure set. It is like motion sensor, so when you put your hand underneath is when the light comes on. So we're gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna actually give myself a manicure, so I'm gonna obviously cut my nails, do my cuticles, push my cuticles back. So I'm soaking my nails to let the skin around my nails get nice and soft, so I can push my cuticle back, and then cut any like rough skin around my nails so I can trim it up and make it look nice before I put on the press. Now that I've let them soak a little bit, now I'm gonna push my cuticle back on all the nails and then cut my cuticle to make sure that I can get the nail as close to the nail bed as possible. And now we're going to cut all the cuticle around my nail. Okay, now we're going to cut the nails. Okay, now this step is supposed to, you want to create some texture on the nail for the false nail to adhere to it better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially buff my nail with this and cause some texture, but I'm not going to go crazy with it because I don't want to damage my nail. And since I don't have the nail polish that's supposed to dehydrate the nail, I'm just going to do 100% acetone to clean them up and dry the nail out. Okay, so I just opened the little kit and I just realized that it comes with a bunch of stuff. Here is the little kit. It comes with this little like alcohol wipe, the nail glue. It comes with tools to push your cuticle back, and then this is to like clean up inside your nail for any dirt. And then the instructions, which we won't need. So it comes with a little file and the nails, of course. So first I'm going to fit them to my hand and see which one fits each finger back. Okay, I did want to show you, and I don't know if it's gonna pick it up because it's so bright, but they are numbered. So this one has a 13 here, and so the inside of the nail is numbered. So once you found the nail, like this one is not gonna be my thumbnail, then I'm gonna look for another 13. You don't want really your nail to be exposed, so make sure it goes from end to end nice and seamless. The next step that TikTok says to do is to rough up the inside of the nail too. So I don't know how I'm gonna get in here, because one of the really nice things about these nails is that they're kind of curved. So I really can't get into the nail to give it some texture. I do have another tool. I'm going to pull it out and see if I've got, okay, I've got this tool that I got from the Dollar Tree a while ago. Okay, and now I'm going to use my light upside down. What I saw is that they put it on and then they hold it there. So I'm going to do that versus putting it on and then putting it in there. So I want to coat the entire nail. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put a little bit here as well. So I put some on the nail, and now I'm going to press it down and then cure it. Let's flip it. Okay, that is on there and not going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna do the upside down method for sure because I felt like that worked better for me. Do a little texture. The base coat. So now I press the nail. Now it looks like I'm flicking it off. And this is what I did with the other one. What it's looking like so far. Oh my gosh, they came out so good. So good. Let me see if I can turn off the light because I feel like it's really bright. Can you see? Is this better? Let me put some lotion on and a little bit of oil so you can see how they look good. I haven't had long nails like this in a long time, so I don't know how I'm gonna be acting, but they came out really good. I really like them. These were, by the way, I don't know if I told y'all, but I got these at Target. These are the Olivia and June, and then these, I think they have a name, but I don't know what the name is called. So cute. Definitely will link them down below. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Okay, bye!